morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, we all have completed our 2 chapters. Now we are going to learn the new things, that is file and folders. Example, I am keeping my clothes in a separate box. Like that, in computer we are going to keep our file data in a separate boxes and separate folders. So we'll start with some questions. Is how do you study and learn different subject? What do you do to remember facts and figures of different subjects? So how you remember the different figures and facts of different subjects? How you learn all the topics? Have they ever got mixed up while recalling the facts from different subject? Example, you all have SS, science, maths, computer. Have you all ever got mixed up all the different type of subject? Yes. So how we will manage these things in computer? In computer we all are having files and folders. So we will separate all the files in, all the things are in a different folder with the subject wise. Take out your course book, page number 17. Here students and teachers are in the computer lab and what they are talking. Children, you get many assignment of various subject from school. What do you happen if they get mixed up? Sir, we would spend a lot of time in separating them. Then again one student tell, it would be better idea to put assignment of a different subject in a different folder. So what the students are telling, that sir, we can keep our assignment of a different subject in a different folder. So you all have to understand what we are going to learn in this chapter. We are going to explore in this chapter how we will understand files and folders, how we will learn file explorer, how we will create new folder, how we will copy, move and rename a file and folders, how we will restore deleted files and folders, learn to rename and search file and folder. So we are going to learn everything about how file and folder works in the computer. Now students, we are going to see how files and folders, how they are different from each others. Now first of all, we are going to see what is file. File is a collection of pictures, text, images and videos. Example, if I have one file of music, if I have one file of word, if I have one file of paint, so these all are files, but these files are keeping in a one folder. Example, one folder. A file is a collection of data stored in a form of text, pictures, music or video. Example, I can show you one, that is English. English is a word file, and then after one music, that is music file. So how folders look like? Now you can see the picture of a folder, how folders look like. Example, we can take a look of a drawers where we can keep our different files. So these drawers are the folders and we keep the files in the drawer, that is files. Now if I want to keep all the files and folders in one thing, that is file explorer. File explorer. Now first of all, we'll see how to open a file explorer. File explorer means where our folders and files are kept. So first of all, I will click on start button and I can write here file explorer. So if I click on this, the file explorer screen will open. Second option is how to open is that on the taskbar, you can see this taskbar here, this option you can see, this is icon is of file explorer. So if I will click on this, file explorer will open. So I would like to tell you what is this in the file explorer. First of all, you can see this PC. You can see this PC. In this PC, all the things are kept. In this PC, we can find our different drives. E drive, F drive, G drive, C drive. Then after, you can see the search box. Here, search box, you can search any file and folder through search box. Now you can see the view and computer options. Then after, you can see the ribbon where the files and folders are there. See, you can see open file, close. So this is called ribbon. Now you can see the back button also, forward button also. This is address bar. This is address bar. If I click on E drive, so this is address bar, different type of addresses. So you all are going to see how files and folders are work, but only first you all have to remember how File Explorer works. Page number 20 of course book. I get to know. File Explorer window can be opened by pressing the window logo plus E. Example, you can see on my keyboard window and plus E. So it will open automatically File Explorer. Again I am showing you window plus E. So now I will show you page number 22 of course book. I wish to know. File Explorer was previously named as Windows Explorer in Windows 7. In Windows 7, operating system Windows 7, where File Explorer name as a Windows Explorer. But in the new versions, Windows 8, Windows 10, we are named as a File Explorer. So you all have to find out more things about File Explorer, and I will ask you in the next class. Okay. I hope you all have understood the concepts I taught you. So you all have to refer the course book and you all have to read the course book content. Bye students. Be safe. Stay home.